It's not mine.
What's not yours?
The pin. I've never... Hey. Why didn't you tell me?
I know.
The strings I had to pull to keep Homeland Security from pressing charges, Casey. This is not just vandalism, all right? It's NASA. It's government property.
Have you ever seen this before?
You're not getting it, are you? I am very upset with you.
I get it. You're angry. I understand, but I just need you to look at it. Does it look weird? Don't
Why are you yelling at me?
Not while you're driving, Dad. It's dangerous. Just pull over.